I'm doing one sample though. Hey, one to that one there. Watch out one there, hold on there. One to him.
No, that's okay. Go. Where you fly, man? Where you in there?
Aye.
Go. Here.
Good.
Hang?
Yeah, easy now, Mr. Rowe.
No.
Hey.
Ball out to the hand, want some more mouth to mouth? Pass really now.
Gone.
Alright. Melvin Kit, you know.
Okay. Why you are the best, Mr. Rowe? You're not easy. You're not easy.